So we are going to wipe down the smaller features of the clock, which have not been touched or cleaned. I just use warm soapy water and a rag to try to get the, so it starts like that, and they're all dusty and crusty and nasty, and then you just sort of, and it cleans them up nice. Use the corner of the rag to get those little crevices. And they're nice and clean now. They're pretty. You can still see where the old capitals were, the columns that sit on top of these. I guess the paint must have oxidized with them, but I'm not going to touch them because I like the color and they're unique to the clock. So that's a before and that's after the wipe down. And ta-da, that's all of them.